Hello students, you are watching DVMY tutorial. I am your dharamsir. Today we are going to do chapter 6 triangles of class 10th NCERT. Today we will discuss what are triangles, what are the types of triangles, and what are congruent triangles and what are similar triangles. First of all, triangles are those closed polygons having three sides. And if we talk about types of triangles, there are three types of triangles. Number one, scalene triangles. Scalene triangles have all the sides of different methods. Number two, isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are those triangles having two sides equal and third side is different. And equilateral triangles are those triangles which have all the sides equal. Now let's come to the point here. What are congruent triangles and what are similar triangles? Before that, we need to understand here, congruent means of the same size and of the same shape. And on the other hand, if we are talking about similar triangles are those triangles which have same shape but they have different size. Like if we are talking about here similar triangles, in this size is different and shape is same. On the other hand, congruent triangles, it means that here size is also equal and the shape is also equal, or we can say same. Now look at the picture here. If triangles have same shape but different size, in that case we will say this is similar triangles. On the other hand, if size is also equal, size is also same and shape is also same or equal, then we can say this is congruent triangles. And most of the important here, if two triangles are said to be similar only if their corresponding angles are equal. Second point, their corresponding sides are in same proportion or in same ratio. But on the other hand, if congruent triangles, all angles are equal, all sides are equal. Okay, now move to the next level. One thing more, if we have two triangles are given, like triangle ABC and triangle PQR, both triangles are similar, then how we will write them? ABC sign of this is similarity sign tilde, right? This is tilde sign and PQR. Okay, but in the case of this congruent triangles, then we will write ABC equal to and tilde PQR. राइट। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 6.1 एक्सरसाइज करने से पहले समझ लेते हैं क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है इस चैप्टर में करने के लिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम। जिसे हम बीपीटी थ्योरम भी कहते हैं। सेकंड, कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी थ्योरम। थर्ड, क्राइटेरिया फॉर सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स। तो basically we will do these 3 points and regarding sums to these topics. Now we are going to start with 6.1 exercise. बने रहे साथ। स्टूडेंट्स, 6.1 एक्सरसाइज में पहला प्रश्न है fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. स्टेटमेंट है all circles are dash. कॉन्ग्रुएंट आएगा या सिमिलर आएगा? लाइक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। एक ये सर्कल रहा जिसका रेडियस है 1 सेंटीमीटर, और एक सर्कल ये रहा जिसका रेडियस है 2 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ वी कैन से ये दोनों ट्राइंगल, दोनों सर्कल्स आपस में ये क्या है? ये सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स हैं। जैसे आपको बताया था, if two polygons, if two geometric figures, they have same shape and different size, in that case हम कह सकते हैं वो सिमिलर है। कॉन्ग्रुएंट तभी होगा when both figures have same shape और and same size। तो यहां पर आएगा हमारे पास सिमिलर, राइट? सिमिलर। सेकंड, ऑल स्क्वायर्स आर डैश। एग्जांपल लेते हैं। एक ये रहा स्क्वायर, एक स्क्वायर ये रहा। इन दैट केस अगर इसकी साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर है, इसकी 2 सेंटीमीटर है, इन दैट केस अगेन इसका आंसर होगा सिमिलर, because squares की all the sides are equal, so we can say all squares are similar, right? congruent तो सिर्फ एक ही केस में होगा when their sides are equal, लेकिन अगर sides equal नहीं है, but here we are talking about all the squares, right? so that's why answer is similar. Third question, all dash triangles are similar. triangles are of 3 types, जैसे बताया था आपको। scalene triangles, all sides are different. Isosceles triangles, 2 sides are equal and third side is different. On the other hand, in equilateral triangles, all the sides are of same measures. It means that in equilateral triangles, all the sides are equal. So we can say that, like, this is equilateral triangles, right? All the equilateral triangles, they are similar, right? This one, so equilateral triangles. Now, fourth question, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. Now, bracket we have to see here, we have 2 values there, equal, proportional. Both the words में हमने कौन सा फर्स्ट फिलअप में डालना है और कौन सा सेकंड फिलअप में डालना है, right? Their corresponding angles are equal, right? And their corresponding sides are proportion, right? Okay, now come to the next question. Give 2 different examples of pair of similar figures. If we are talking about similar figures, right? So this one, similar figures means triangles. Let's take equilateral triangles, right? And square. Okay, so we can say that this is there is 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter, right? And 1 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So these figures are similar, right? But on the other hand, in the second one, non-similar, we can take like one triangle and one square. This is triangle, this is square. And in the second case, we can take here uh, like one is circle, the other is parallelogram. So there is circle and there is parallelogram, right? I hope you understand. Let's move to the next question. स्टूडेंट्स स्टूडेंट्स इस एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट सम है दिस वन. स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रिलेटर्स आर similar or not. We have to tell both these quadrilaters are similar or not. As we know, two figures are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion, right? So here we can say that answer is no. Why? Both quadrilaters have different shape, or you can say different angles. Second case is their corresponding sides are proportional or not. Yes, 1.5 upon 3, it means that 1.2. So we can say that if except their sides are in proportion, but their angles are not same, right? Here angle is 90 degree, but here angle is more than 90. So in that case, we can say that both these figures, these quadrilaters are not similar, right? So we can say that here quadrilator PQRS is not similar ABCD. I hope you understand this. स्टूडेंट्स आगे और भी इंटरेस्टिंग वे से और भी आसान तरीके से मैं इस चैप्टर को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करूंगा. 6.2 एंड रिलेवेंट जो थ्योरम्स हैं वो भी. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर थोड़ी सी भी पसंद आई है, प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब अगर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस बेल आइकन so that you can get my coming videos. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बी हैप्पी. थैंक यू.